Resnični kotiček z Dijano na
Timmy.
Kids TV. Hi kids, it's time for a bedtime story. Today I'm reading about the dolphin and his two dads. Once upon a time, long ago, deep in the sea, lived a dolphin. Like all the other dolphins, this particular dolphin also liked to play and have a laugh. It's just the way dolphins are. He had a lot of friends. He even liked hanging out with humans. He had a caring mother with whom he enjoyed exploring the sea. He had a brave dad with whom he leaped out of the water. But he had someone else too. When the dolphin was little, his parents were best friends. They used to spend every day and night swimming together, dancing, jumping, and playing chase. One day, the dolphin noticed his parents were no longer happy. They were in a bad mood, tired and sad. They no longer wanted to play together. The little dolphin was worried. He didn't understand what he did wrong. He didn't know why his parents were angry all the time. He was afraid they might be ill. He even thought about them not loving him anymore. And so he too lost interest in playing games and became unhappy. His mom and dad noticed that their son was no longer smiling, or leaping from the water, or dancing about in the sea. They too became worried. So they decided to go on a long trip across the sea and have a long talk. Mom and dad told their son that they were not best friends anymore and weren't happy together. They searched for a way to be happy again. Mom and dad loved their little dolphin more than anything in the world and would do anything for him to be happy. They weren't ill or angry, and their son had done nothing wrong. His parents simply didn't know how to play together anymore. That's why they decided that some days the dolphin would spend playing with mom, while other days he would play with his dad. His parents were afraid of missing their son. The dolphin was afraid of missing his parents. However, all three soon realized that it was much better to be with someone who is happy than someone who is sad. Soon, the family got used to this new way of playing, and all of them became happy again. Whenever the dolphin played with one parent and then the other, he was smiling, just like before. When the dolphin was with his dad, he swam together with a school of dolphins who also became his friends. They caught fish and leaped over high waves. He met other dolphins who made his dad smile again. They taught the little dolphin where to find healing algae, how to do tail stands, and how to hide from the cold currents during winter. The little dolphin was happy. When the dolphin was with his mom, he swam with a different school of dolphins, who likewise became his friends. They searched for hidden treasures and followed passing ships. He met his stepdad, who had become his mom's best friend and made her laugh again. The stepdad taught his stepson where to find food, how to do somersaults, and where to hide when storms came. The little dolphin was happy. Everyone admired the smiling little dolphin. Sometimes his friends teased him by saying they are not sure who his real dad is. He teased them right back by joking he has 2 dads now. His friends just looked at each other confused and happily continued their playtime. The little dolphin had taught them the secret of the sea. Do you know which one? The secret is that happiness is worth much more than all the treasures in the sea. Sometimes a smile is hard to find. That's why you should always search for it. And when you find it, make sure you keep it safe. Each bedtime story teaches us something new. We just need to listen carefully. Now off to bed. Hugs, kisses, and good night.